Hey guys, so today I'm using nail forms again, and I built out a little platform here. You want to make that as thin as possible. I made it a little thicker than I wanted, but no biggie. If you're using tips, great. You don't even need to worry about this. But I just kind of came to here on my nail, built this platform out. I chose my collars that I wanted to use and put them on a little palette, set that aside. After that's ready, the first thing I want to do is build my nail bed, my fake nail bed. And I'm going to get a decent amount of polygel here. As you can see, that's a good little chunk. We want this to be thick. That is key. You need some thickness to this. Don't worry about that because we're going to get rid of all of that bulk at the end. I'm going to start this out with this ball by pushing down into my cuticles and my sidewalls and using as little as possible. I don't need the bulk there. I want to keep that area as clean and sleek as I would any other time. But for the main nail bed, I want some height to it. So what you're going to see me doing here for the next minute or two is building out the nail bed into the shape that I want. And yeah, I'm just kind of watching myself as I'm talking. Oh, by the way, while I'm doing this, Nail Career Education just did a fantastic video on, you see these videos on these 3D French manicures and it's so like perfectly done and nice and neat. And Susie just did an awesome video showing you how it doesn't have to be perfect. Like while you're doing it, forget perfection, throw that out the window. So I'm going to link that down below so you can watch it. That's kind of going to be my method here because I'm fairly new to it too. So, but you see this thickness here? We want that. We need that wall there. That's what's going to give us the dimension to the nail. And when, we do that paint and stuff. And what I'm going to do is clean up this wall, get that nice and straight. Okay, so I've filed that roundness off, made it nice and flat. I'm wanting to focus here, make sure what I'm looking at from the top, the shape looks perfect. This wall doesn't have to be, but you do want it to be flat. I'm going to go in now with the very first polish that I'm using. And all of these polishes are from the same kit. I'll link that below, and I'm going to show you a little bit about that at the end as well. Now, while I'm painting this, I want to make sure that I get it up on that wall, all the way up to the top edge right here. You see what I mean? We want to get that wall. We want to get it good. And then I'm just going to kind of feather it out here in a minute on that platform. But we want to focus on this wall. Again, that's what's going to give us the dimension. That's what's going to give us the 3D effect. And then I'm feathering this out the length that I want that to be. Going in with the Model 1's clear poly gel, I'm just going to use some clear to cap that bit off. And I want to make sure I get down in all of this here. Where I want that polish to remain, I want to make sure it is capped with the clear. I'm going to go around, create the same shape that I want. After I get this done, I'm just going to pop it in the lamp. After curing, I'm going to clean this up just like I did the last wall. Okay, so I sat there and recorded painting this, and well, apparently I didn't record it. So I went ahead after I cleaned that wall up. I put my second collar on. It doesn't look nice and neat as you can see, but that's okay. A lot of that is going to be filed down. I'm going to cap this with clear again. Once I'm done, I'm going to pop it in the lamp, cure that. And again, I missed some recording. I put a third collar on, and as you can see, we got like a monstrosity of a nail here. Refiling. Don't worry. Expect this, especially if it's your first go around. I'm going to take the bulk off with this drill. I had to show you this because I just recently picked this up from Melody Susie. This drill is amazing. It's portable, it's rechargeable, which kind of scared me at first, but I mean, I've charged it once when I first got it, used it multiple times since then, and it's still 3/4 strong. This is not an ad. Girl, my channel's new. I'm on Instagram, but that's, no. It's just that awesome, and I thought I'd share that with you guys. Anybody out there looking for an e-file and you're not sure what to get, this one is outstanding, regardless of whether you're a beginner or a pro. I'll link that below as well. Here we are. After I've taken most of the bulk off, I'm going to take my hand file, and then I made a boo-boo because this nail has just had too much done to it this week. I've removed and restarted and cleaned and like 3 or 4 different nails, and it's had it. So I'm just going to throw a top coat on that, and we're done with the nail. Aside from my boo-boo, I'm pretty happy with this. I'm in love with these polishes I use, and I figure people are going to be asking in the comments, so I just wanted to show you what it is. This is from Beetles. I think it's called their New Year kit. I'm not sure. I'll link that as well. For, I think, around $30, you get all of this. You open up the box, and it comes in 3 little stacks. These are the polishes I use, and the one that you did not see is this like plum colored purple here. You have your base coat, a glossy top coat, as well as a matte top coat. And then under that, we have this cute little nail lamp. These come in so handy if you're just doing like a gel polish manicure, you know, for product. Not necessarily, but these are great. They've got little legs. You can open it up on your desk, or you can fold those in. All the lights are showing, so you can just kind of hold it over your hand. Yeah, these are awesome. So handy. And then under there, there's all kinds of little goodies. There were a ton of these. These are just nail wipes, but I've used most of them already. These, if I'm not mistaken, are like remover pads. I haven't opened and used any, but yes, remover pad. This is a really decent nail file. A nice nail buffer. This has 2 grits. The green side is, you know, your regular buffer, and then this polish side that's going to give you some shine. And then we've got little separators. A cuticle trimmer, a nice quality cuticle pusher with a scraper on the other end, some nail clippers, and a nail brush. Oh, it also had this cuticle oil pen, which is really cool. Just swipe it on. You click it at the top if you want. Yeah. I really hope this video helped you. Subscribe and help a girl grow. Leave a comment and let me know what you want to see next.